Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I'm always looking for different craft tools to just expand my creativity and add interest and something new to my projects. These We Are Makers pigment pens are just so unique and they're really fun to use. It's like a combination of a marker and a crayon. The color is so rich and so highly pigmented, and the pens glide so nicely over the paper. And it's fun to even use on different types of paper, like watercolor paper, especially for blending, because you get such a different and unique effect. As they wear down, all you need to do is twist the end. I also love that I can store them right in their original container. The base of it has styrofoam with little holes cut out so that the pen fits right back into the box. So I'm less likely to lose them. These We Are Maker pigment pens have been such a pleasure to use. It's been so fun to add a little something different to my crafts and card making, and that's my point of view.